Have a pop pot. It's hot as fuck. A pop pot. I'm eating a pop pot, but it's fucking hot as fuck. Oh my. Coffin! Oh! Oh, come on! I'm tired. Lawless Allen. Let's go, Butterbean. P7. He got help. He got help. I can see this damage. Trash stain. A little bit of damage there. Caputh all the way back down to 23rd after he spun. Battling for the lead. Oh my. Oh, that's even worse. Fada. Oh no, where's hell yeah, boys. Where's Butterbean at? No, NASCAR made him change. Oh, it said Butterbean. You know, like the little nameplate they have on the back of the trucks. Let's see if I have a. I know I have a truck here. Where the fuck is it? No, there's no number plate. But like no, like no nameplate. But it's like right here. It said Butterbean, but they had to change it. NASCAR said, oh, no, you're gonna change that. It's fucking dumb. Bruh, I quite literally just stopped. No replay, I guess? Okay. Yo, Lane Riggs. Let's go, Lane Riggs P2. Let's even more fucking go Warshaw. And let's even more fucking go Butterbean. Hell yeah, right?